Thank you so much for checking things out on this Sunday. I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Chris Edwards, and the winds that we had on Saturday will just increase during the course of today. So the lakeshore flood advisories have been expanded, and they go all the way from the Lake Huron shoreline along the rivers, the St. Clair and Detroit River, and all the way down to the Ohio state line on the shores of Lake Erie. That because of some flooding, because of persistent east-northeasterly winds pushing some of those high water levels in and doing some property damage. So if you live in one of those areas, do take whatever precautions you can. This goes all the way through 4 o'clock Monday morning. Now, as far as the rain, it's been across Indiana and Ohio for the weekend. It slowly starts edging northward, but not all at once. The better chances for rain during the course of this Sunday are south and east of Detroit. Downriver, Monroe County, certainly the possibilities. As we move to late in the day, gets a little bit more likely for some light rain there, maybe a little moderate rain down in Monroe County, but most of the metro area stays dry during the daylight hours on this Sunday. Can't say that about tonight, because by tonight the rain starts expanding northward across the region, and we are all likely to get at least some rain Sunday night into Monday morning. It looks like this, though, for our Sunday, way below average, high only 63, with the gusty winds 15 to 30 miles per hour, and that chance of rain developing, especially south. Now, overnight tonight, rainfall, not heavy rain, but it does look like, especially in Monroe County, up to an inch of rain could fall by the time it wraps up on Monday. Still breezy tonight, northeast wind 10 to 25, and then the winds start to drop off during the day, especially by afternoon on Monday. Temperature, though, still only 67 or so for a high. The shower should end by mid to late afternoon. I'm thinking that by the time tailgating is fully underway at Ford Field, ahead of the big Lions Monday night football game, it will be drying out, if not completely dry. Do prepare yourself for a few light showers. That's not out of the question at all. But it's gone by Tuesday. That's when the sun starts to make a return engagement. 74 for Tuesday. And then we're close to 80 Wednesday and Thursday with lots of sunshine, low humidity. And then we get deeper into the 80s for Friday and Saturday. Some summer-like weather looks to be on tap for the end of the week and at least into the start of next weekend. Whatever you have planned, I hope you have a great one. And I hope you keep checking back with us at WXYZ.com.